I started my glorious stock trading journey at the beginning of 2018, and guess what? I managed to lose $3,100 just in a year. Yep, I know, impressive, right? In this video, I'm gonna share my top 3 tips for losing money fast in the stock market. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your portfolio into a sinking ship just like mine, and if you are still not broke enough, don't worry, I got these 3 bonus strategies that will crash your account balance to zero even faster. Sounds good? Let's dive in. The number 1 rule for beginners who want to burn money in the stock market is simple. Always trust your gut. Why bother researching when you can just feel that the stock is the right one? I mean, as a beginner new to the investing world, 99% of the time, you won't even know what you are buying. What does the company do? What's their business model? How's their financial health? Honestly, you wouldn't even think of figuring out any of this before hitting that buy button. For example, have you ever picked a stock just because the ticker symbol looks so cool? Like, who can say no to names like good, wow, or love? I mean, come on. With names like that, the stock has to be a winner, right? See, it's pretty much like playing roulette. When you feel it, nothing can stop you from buying. Trust me, that's exactly what I did during my first year of investing. And you see that free-falling line on my portfolio? Yep, that was the clearest proof that I was having a blast losing my money. So, if you want to lose money fast, remember, always bet everything on your instincts. Now, if you're really committed to stepping up your money-burning game, let me introduce you to my second tip: trade as often as humanly possible. You've probably heard the age-old debate, quality versus quantity. Well, here's the secret: why choose? In the stock market, both can help you lose money, but combining them, now that's a true recipe for financial disaster. Think about it, if you're already great at picking random stocks destined to tank, why not double or even triple the amount of trades you make? It's like hitting the fast forward button on draining your account. Now take a look at my first year trading record here. I transferred $4,650 into my account, but somehow the total cost basis of all my trades for that year ballooned to around $158,000. Holy. Honestly, I lost track of how many trades I made that year, it was just too many to count. And thanks to this high-frequency trading strategy, I managed to lose nearly $3,100 in just a year, roughly a negative 67% rate of return. So believe me, if you make enough trades every single day, you can achieve my level of success with no problem. Oh, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos here. Now, if you are not satisfied with how fast your money is burning with the last 2 tips, let me introduce you to the ultimate tool for accelerating your losses: leverage ETFs. An ETF is basically a basket of stocks or bonds that you can buy and sell just like a stock. Take VOO for example, it mirrors the performance of the 500 companies in the S&P 500 index. Then a leverage ETF takes that concept and cranks it up by multiplying the daily gains or losses, often by 2 times or even 3 times. Like the SPXL, which gives you 3 times the S&P 500's daily performance. Now, here's the fun part. A leverage ETF doesn't just lose your money faster when the price goes down. It also eats away your funds when the market moves sideways. Let's run the numbers. Imagine the market goes up 1% one day and then down 1% the next. And this roller coaster continues for 100 days. By the end of it, your $100 in VOO might drop to $99.50, a 0.5% loss. But with SPXL, that same $100 will now be worth about $95.60, down 4.4%. That's almost 9 times worse than VOO, all thanks to the magic 3x leverage. Now, I've personally experienced this. Back in 2018, I bought the leverage ETN TIVX. By the way, I thought it was an ETF back then, which was another perfect example of me not knowing what I bought. Long story short, an ETN was a bit like an ETF, but much riskier. I'll share a link below in case you want to know more about the differences. Back to my story, I lost almost $1,500 on TIVX throughout that year, which was nearly half of my total loss for 2018. I'm telling you, this really worked. If burning money is your goal, this is a no-brainer. Now you're fully equipped with my top 3 methods to burn money fast in the stock market. But if you're wondering, are there even faster ways to lose money? Oh, absolutely. I got these 3 bonus strategies for you: using a margin account, shorting stocks, and trading options. If you want me to dive into those, let me know in the comment section below. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to try them out. Why? Because my wife slapped the brake on my money burning spree after witnessing my, let's call it, memorable performance that year. You know that saying, unhappy wife, unhappy life. I learned that lesson the hard way. So I shifted gears and started another series where I invested $50 into VOO every week for over 2 years now. Slow and steady, all to keep my wife happy. If you want to check out how that's been going, click on this video for all the details. Thanks for tuning in, I'll catch you next time.